Here we are again. It's too early. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers. I am the very knackered Scruffy trader. And I seem to be getting more knackered each day. I don't like mornings. Mornings are terrible. Whoever invented them needs to be shot. But we're here. So I better get me coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee, and get these charts on. But what are we doing with the charts? Well, it's a series of videos just to forward test and see if it's possible to build up a nest egg just by grinding away before you go to work. Maybe it's 10 pips and just compound the profits. Now, up to now, it's done quite well. I'm reasonably pleased with how it's all working. And I'm kind of showing you that it's possible, because I think one of the biggest mistakes in trading is you chase the money. And because you chase the money, you lose it. It's that simple. Because basically you're gambling, you're not trading. So this is not so much, well, it is a strategy test, because I'm quite pleased with what I've put together. But it's also a discipline test to make certain you know what you're doing. So let us flip the screens on and we shall have a little look. So this is, oh, just bear with me just a second. Just switch that on. There we are. This is the results so far. We started this beginning of January. It's been an interesting exercise. And we're looking to grow the account to £1,000. Double the account, if you like. And we're not far away. So January, as you can see, we did 100% hit rate. And we're now working our way through February. And we're still 100% hit rate on open trades. Now, we have caught up to margin. So we're struggling a little bit with opening up positions. And we kind of stuck at about 53, 56p. Because now I'm splitting it. I like to have something in reserve. And that way, if I am caught, I can buy back into the market. Okay? So that's the idea of that. So today, we're gonna stay at 53p just to get that little bit extra margin, because the one thing you don't want is a margin call. So what are we doing today? Well, you can see it's had a bit of a push up. We are going to be short with this today, and it's pretty much ready to go. So we'll be looking to place some orders in shortly, and that's it. So I'll let it run, and then I'll come back to you when the trade's finished. Okay? And that's that, boys and girls. We are done. So let's have a look, see where we're up to. It's all right. It's not bad. It's not bad. Could be better. But then again, it could be a whole lot worse. So let me have a look at the sheet and we'll see how that forms up. Okay, so we got our first order in earlier on, and then we've just had another 2, which we will add onto the pot now, which was a 541 and a 1304. Okay, so we're kind of on our home straight if we are to get this to £1,000. This hotel trip might be paid for next week.
Very good. Ready for the next one?
Yes, recycling these little bits of money into a little trip for us. We're also doing a little bit for Cuthbert's as well. So if you want to help, just check the Coffees Fund out, because that's where it goes. Anyway, what are we doing? So this month, 17% on the balance, 21 open positions, 100%. Why? Because I'm being careful. And I'm watching what's going on. I'm also looking at how far a market can stretch, so I'm putting my stops in the right place. And just, well, I guess not over-egging the account. In other words, not putting too much strain on it. And that allows your trade to breathe. Now, this morning, it was a fair bet there was going to be a flush out. And there was. And you saw it. Straight up. That's one of the dangers of trading opens. The market will flush you out before it goes the direction that it's intending on. And sometimes you've just got to be prepared for it. You try and do this with a 10 pip stop, 20 pip stop, no chance. But on the other side of the coin, if you try and do it with too wide a stop or no stop, I'll just wipe you out. So it's a fine line. And for me, I try to build into trades. It's very difficult at the moment for me because I haven't got a lot of room to work with. As you can kind of see, we're dealing with pennies. But with that being said, if you strip it back like what I've done, just go half in to start with and then build into it if it goes against you. Doesn't matter. And don't worry about the money either. Your first process was to get it to be able to split. Then you step backwards to go forwards. And that's the idea of breaking trades up. So that's that. It's coming on 5 to 9. I've got a few things to do for the squad that I promised I would do today. And we'll do it all again tomorrow. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.